France. So what do you think about this fucking unemployment?
No. Like when I think about it, we South Africans we don't get any employment.
Yes.
They employ people from Nigeria, Zimbabwe. What about us?
So
Our government doesn't do anything for us.
so do you think Operation Dodula is a good thing?
It's a good thing
Oh.
because that's why I said at the first Malema is supposed to be good for us. We don't benefit from our government. We vote.
So can you please tell Mr. Malema here what
Mr.
do you
Malema-
think of him?
No, Mr. Malema, can you just fight for us? Because we South Africans, we don't get anything. Our jobs are getting by Zimbabwe, or whatever country. We don't get anything.
Exactly.
What about us?
Okay, Mr. Frank. So can you please tell Mr. Malema your name, your thing? So even when he wants you, when he can
It's
get
me,
with you.
David Zolani France.
Yes.
That's my name, Malema. I ask you, sir, to represent us.
Yes.
We want the jobs. We're not we're struggling. The Zimbabweans are working.
Good.
Thank you.